To remove the rear cover, first place the unit face down on a soft, flat surface. Loosen each of the 2 captive Phillips No. 2 screws for the rear cover until you can hear the screw making a clicking sound several times. Pry the bottom of the cover up and remove the rear cover from the PC. The rear cover has several hooks along its outer edge. That fit under tabs along the outer lip of the front bezel. To replace the rear cover, align the top hooks of the cover under their tabs. Press the cover firmly around the edges until all hooks have snapped into place. Note that the bottom corner edges will not yet be flush against the front bezel. Tighten the 2 captured screws on the rear cover until the bottom corner edges of the rear cover are flush against the edge of the outer trim of the front bezel.